glory to Jesus Christ, glory to the God forever. So having such a situation on the network, it was not possible to find any solutions that someone had done that you can resize any of skins for Windows Media Player 10, 11, 12, so no possibility to resize. There is no mouse creation for resizing, so we can't resize, only we can use Alt plus Enter to make full screen, or 2 times fast mouse clicks on the video, for example, to make it full screen, and the same 2 times fast click of mouse to return it back to the current view. So no possibility to resize. Also, using Windows Media Player skin, you cannot minimize a player when you click on the taskbar on the image of the Windows Media Player and taskbar. You can only use the upper sign minimize, and you don't have such a possibility, though many modern programs nowadays in 2025 also you cannot minimize them. But it's about resizing Windows Media Player. So now I will show you 3 files of the skin that you see, and if you see something you can add, you can write in comments the code to change to make it work. But as I say, as I had checked, there is no one in the world right now who publicly had written how to do this, so no solution for this till now. So as you see inside Windows Media Player skin with the extension .vmz, you have 3 files where you can check what to edit. So the first one is base.vms. So let's find the word resize if it's present here. So you see resize is present here. Line 74, as you see what is written here. Background image true. Find next. Resize background image true. Third one. Size. Another one. Button image resize. Seems correctly written, but if you see some mistake, so that's all in this document. The next one is base.js. Let's see if the word resize is present here. No, this file does have the word resize. The next one is vmp11.js. Resize. Let's find Resize function. It's a JavaScript mainly file, how it should function. As you see, Resize, what is written underneath. As you see, it is consent, this resizing. As you see, the code for JavaScript. It's probably the same. Or not? No, not the same. It is the same. So if you see some mistakes here, written code to make it work, and it's very easy for someone who uses JavaScript every day, so write it underneath. It will be very useful. So then you can make also a video on your channel to be the first one in the world to show how it can be solved pretty well and easy.